A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Good morning. It's Monday, September 23rd, and it is a sea day on board the Carnival Celebration. It's about 9 a.m. and I slept in today. I'm going to get out about, go get some coffee. Would normally go to sea day brunch on the first sea day, but the diamond lunch is at noon, so I didn't want to have two heavy meals, and then tonight is elegant night, so usually that's a better dinner. So I'm just going to get a snack for breakfast and some coffee and just walk around the ship for a while until lunchtime, and then I'll see what else I can get into after that. Last night I went to the steakhouse for dinner, and that was very nice. They ended up singing happy birthday to me. It's not my birthday, but apparently they know it's this month and it's coming up, so I think they just like to sing. So dinner was just fantastic. After that, I went to a welcome aboard show, caught a little bit of that, and then went to a comedy show. Of course, they don't allow filming of the comedy venues, so don't have a lot of footage for that, but I'll see what I can see today. And by the way, I'm back to glasses today. I had an incident last week with my contacts, and I left them in too long, and then one was stuck in my eye, couldn't get it out, finally did, and so I've been without contacts for a couple days. Then last night I wore them for a while, walked through the casino, lots of smoke in there, so I woke up with an irritated eye, so I'm back to glasses. And I'm just going to keep using the drops and see if that doesn't correct itself today. I made a quick change and got ready for the diamond lunch. Went to lunch and it was excellent. And now I'm back to the room, a quick change, and I'm off to see if I can find a chair to maybe sit in the sun for a little while. So we'll see how this goes. Well, good news. I have fresh laundry, so that was a surprise. I just sent it out this morning, and it is back tonight. So everything's washed and cleaned. Thank goodness for Diamond Laundry Service. I forgot to mention the towel animal of the day, and I don't know what this is. Maybe a rat? Maybe, I don't know. I do know they have a lot of new crew on board, and typically when you have new crew members, this is usually the first thing you get. So I'm calling it a rat, but I don't know. What's your guess? I just returned to the room, and I have a treat. It's called the Chocolate Delight. So macaroons and some, I guess, some kind of bonbons and chocolate strawberries, I guess. So this is for formal night, which is tonight. So I guess it's a little treat before dinner.
Senior officers on board the beautiful Carnival Celebration. These are the people that makes the ship run. Show them some love, show them some love. Family, the night's still young. The night's still young, and guess what? You're not driving home tonight. We got 2 shows of Celestial Streams. Of course, my Love and Marriage game show that's happening in the Grand Spectrum Theater. Whatever y'all decide to do, get out there and enjoy the rest of your evening. I'll see y'all around. Bye, cousins.
Walk the streets for money.